if I told you that whatever you are doing right now won't get any value until you die? Would you keep doing that thing? Would you strive and get out of the bed in the morning? Would you still spend everything you have on that thing? A man who has been chosen by the Sorrows from the day he was born. His name is Vincent. You'd probably know him better by the name Van Gogh. In 1880, his painting career started in Belgium. Vincent had visited a lot of places looking for work. Vincent had a very good relationship with his brother, Theo. In fact, what we actually know about Vincent is due to the messages that they had exchanged. Theo have always helped his older brother Vincent, rather than just abandoning him like everyone else. Theo used to send money to Vincent for a food, and Vincent would spend it on painting equipment. Vincent didn't have any friends. People didn't like him back then due to his mental condition. Vincent mostly painted portraits. He was always carrying his painting equipment, ready to paint people's faces. He was a starving artist. He finally entered an asylum in 1889 in Saint-Rémy, and even there he was painting his environment. Van Gogh's life was short and miserable, and he thought of himself as a failure. He had loved a lot of girls, but none of them loved him back. He proposed to some and got rejected. Even one of his cousins rejected his proposal. These rejections gave Vincent depression, and probably this is the reason he was miserable, because everyone seems to be rejecting him. He even cut his ear and gave it to a prostitute, and at the end of the line, he found a way to escape. He thought the life was too much for him. It seems like he was desperate. Death was his escape from madness, from suffering, from everything he had been through. On July 29, 1890, he shot himself in the belly. 2 days after shooting himself, he died. Van Gogh had suffered a lot in his entire life as a painter. He had more than 800 paintings, and above all that, he only sold one painting just a few weeks before his death. His most famous painting, The Starry Night, painted in June 1889. It depicts the view from the east-facing window of his asylum room at Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, just before sunrise, with the addition of an idealized village. My only question is, how a desperate man can make something so beautiful that later it becomes a masterpiece and becomes one of the most famous artists ever known. What interests me the most is Van Gogh's art, his techniques, the unexpected science behind his paintings. Physicist Werner Heisenberg said, "When I meet God, I'm going to ask him 2 questions, why relativity and why turbulence. I really believe he will have an answer for the first." Van Gogh's painting, Starry Night, was painted behind the window of his room from the asylum just before the sunrise. If you look at the Starry Night, you would see the turbulence, how he used the brushes to simulate the turbulence of the cloud and sun mixing and twirling around one another. Van Gogh used the light differently. As you see, he filled the painting with light motion rather than the light itself. Van Gogh is a very strange man to me. In this modern world, we tend to create things and publish it, only to get people's review on it and get a feedback loop, or just to feel good when someone likes it. And that feedback, those reviews, motivate us and encourage us to create more art. But Van Gogh never had that. No one actually liked his painting while he was alive. He never had that feedback loop. But he had fun during the process, and that's what he loved, the process. And perhaps we would be great if we all just loved the process and never cared about what people say or do with what we've made. And as Van Gogh wrote in his last note before his death, sadness will last forever. Your loving Vincent.